get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie.
Hello, I am currently outside practicing some shots for today on our Mazda vehicles, and I am by a CX-5 that I really want, but I probably won't get, but it's beautiful.
That I die, I can't hide.
Right now I'm just taking some practice shots for tonight because I will be the lead photographer, which is super exciting and super nerve-wracking, but I'm excited. It is 1:55. We're about to head over to our other store, which is where the car show is going to be happening, and cars are going to start getting moved and setup is going to be happening. So we're going to head over there in a little bit. I have my sunnies on. It's a big day, very exciting, and the chaos will probably begin soon. I will show you when I get there. I'm at Walmart right now. I have to get some drinks for Eric, Arthur, and Marty, and I also have to get this adapter thing for Arthur as well. So I'm here. Good thing Walmart's right across the street from our dealership, even though it's right across like one of our busiest streets. We're having fun. Oh crap.
You're taking the main street.
Okay, good. I was gonna say.
I'm not going that far.
Hi, Cadillac behind me. Oh. Why did we do this?
What this is, yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Hi, you guys. Quick update. I came back to the Mazda store because my battery was about to die. So I brought all three of my batteries just in case. So I have a new one, and this is the second one. It is like almost 7 o'clock, which is crazy. I look a wreck. I also fell off a golf cart, which is super fun. Highly recommend doing that. Don't go on a golf cart if you're not fully secure. Point taken. We have like an hour left of the car show. I'm going to be leaving at 8 to get a video of all the cars going through the city, which is going to be super, super exciting. My feet hurt. It's been a long day, but it's been really fun, and I've been taking a lot of pictures. I've been trying to get as much footage for my vlog, but I have been struggling because I'm also taking pictures for everything, so it's been crazy but a lot of fun. So I will update you later.
Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
Hi, you guys. I'm currently at a roundabout that I'm gonna film the cruising out part of the cruise out show, and everyone's staring at me because we're at a busy street, so that's fun. Everyone's staring, all the cars that pass by, but this is the setup and this is a lot of fun. Look at this roundabout.
Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire.
Hello, you guys. I am back home after this very, very long day, but very, very good and exciting day. It's 9:10 and I got home maybe like 20 minutes ago. So it was a nice long day, but I had so much fun today. It was so much fun. I'm very exhausted though. Here is the state of my elbow from falling off the golf cart. Oh my gosh. That was fun. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video and enjoyed the footage of all the cool cars. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.